Ever wondered how important prosthetic limbs are in transforming lives? These remarkable devices serve as replacements for missing body parts, which might be lost due to factors like trauma, disease, or congenital conditions. The primary goal of prosthetics is to restore as closely as possible the normal functions of the missing body part. They serve as an extension of the human body, enabling those who use them to lead fulfilling, active lives. Understanding the creation of these life-changing devices, let's delve into the process. Creating a prosthetic limb is an intricate process involving several crucial steps. It all starts with consultation and planning. Here, a prosthetist, a healthcare professional who designs, fits, and maintains prostheses, sits down with the patient to discuss their needs, goals, and the options available. The next step is casting and measurement. The remaining limb, often referred to as the stump, is either cast or digitally scanned. This ensures the prosthetic will fit comfortably and securely, tailored to the individual's unique body contours. Once the measurements are in place, we move on to the design and fabrication stage. This is where the prosthetic limb truly takes shape. The design is custom-made, based on the patient's activities, preferences, and anatomical requirements. Materials like carbon fiber, plastics, metals, and silicone are often used for their lightweight strength and durability. After the limb has been fabricated, it's time for fitting and adjustment. The prosthetic is carefully fitted to the individual, and adjustments are made as necessary. This stage is crucial because the comfort and functionality of the prosthetic limb directly impact its usability. The final stage involves training and rehabilitation. Patients undergo rehabilitation to learn how to use and adapt to their new prosthetic limb. This involves physical therapy, occupational therapy, and sometimes even psychological counseling to help the individual adjust to their new reality. But the process doesn't end there. Regular checkups and adjustments are part of the journey, ensuring the prosthetic limb continues to serve the individual as effectively as possible. This is a simplified view of the process, but each phase requires meticulous attention to detail to ensure the prosthetic limb fits and functions optimally. It's a perfect blend of science, technology, and human touch, all coming together to make a life-changing difference. With the relentless pace of technological evolution, the future of prosthetic limbs is set to amaze us. Imagine having a bionic limb that responds to your brain's signals, moving as naturally as your biological limbs. That's not a sci-fi dream anymore. It's on the horizon. Then there's the revolutionary world of 3D printing, enabling swift and affordable production of custom-fitted prosthetic components. Next, let's talk about advanced materials. We're seeing the development of lighter, stronger substances that promise to make prosthetics even more durable and functional. And then comes the prospect of improved sensory feedback. The incorporation of sensors that communicate touch or pressure back to the user's nervous system, providing a sense of feel. But that's not all. We're looking at the integration of robotics and artificial intelligence, enhancing the adaptability and functionality of prosthetic devices. These advancements promise to make prosthetics even more functional, comfortable, and lifelike. Prosthetic limbs do more than just replace a missing body part. They open a world of possibilities, enhancing mobility and granting individuals the freedom to engage in a wide range of activities that would otherwise be challenging. Beyond physical capabilities, prosthetics empower individuals, fostering self-sufficiency in daily tasks and boosting their independence. The mental health benefits are equally profound. Regaining the ability to perform daily activities can greatly improve self-esteem and reduce feelings of disability. Furthermore, prosthetic limbs enable individuals to reintegrate into society, facilitating their return to work and encouraging participation in social events. The impact of prosthetics extends far beyond physical functionality, playing a significant role in the overall well-being of individuals. The magic of prosthetics is powered by cutting-edge technology. Computer-aided design and manufacturing, or CAD/CAM, plays a pivotal role in creating precise and custom-fitted prosthetic components. Material technology is another significant player, with advanced polymers, composite materials, and lightweight metals enhancing the strength and functionality of prostheses. Microprocessors, used in high-end prosthetic joints, control movement with precision. Myoelectric sensors are the wizards that pick up electrical signals from the remaining muscles in the stump, which can be used to control the movements of the prosthetic limb. And let's not forget about neural interfaces, the frontier of research that involves tapping into the body's nervous system to provide direct control of the prosthetic and potentially sensory feedback. Technology is the heartbeat of prosthetics, driving their evolution and making them more efficient and user-friendly.